Now, speaking of this lighting fixture, let's turn it on. Then, connect neutral to live wire to the test clip we've prepared. Connected. The light will enter its default flashing mode. This means the fixture is ready to pair. Now, use your phone. Open the Home app and add a device. Scan the QR code on the driver. After scanning, this screen appears. Simply tap Next. Connecting to the system, setting up and adding to the Home app steps. Also, setup is designed with an adjustable direction. The clip here is extremely precise, accurate to the millimeter. As for the lamp body, you can adjust its lighting angle left and right. Turn it. Now that it's added, let's adjust the dimming and color. It supports adaptive lighting. We'll disable it. Once it's off, find the fixture. To adjust the color temperature directly, the range goes from 2700K to 6500K. It can also adjust the brightness. Okay.